Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdinilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagbubulan ng awa ng ating buhay ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, this Sunday, our Lord invites us to embrace a simple yet profound way of expressing who we are as His church. Jesus says, "If you love me, you will keep my commandments." The foundation of following the Lord is love. God is love, and He pours Himself out to us. As love, God continually communicates Himself to us, establishing a covenant with us. This means that the Christian life is not merely about being faithful to the doctrines of our faith, it is about being faithful in our relationship with God. But the truth is clear. Love is demonstrated through action. Hindi sapat na sabihin natin, "I love you, Lord," kung hindi naman natin isinasabuhay ang kanyang mga utos. Hindi ito madali. Kaya sa ating ebanghelyo, ipinangako ni Jesus na sasamahan tayo ng banal na Espiritu upang maisabuhay natin ng tapat ang utos ng Diyos na magmahalan tayo. We see this beautifully illustrated in our first reading. The early Christians, like Philip, did not keep the faith to themselves. They shared it. Because of their preaching, people experience joy, healing, and new life. Through them, the gospel became alive and tangible. In the second reading, St. Peter encourages us always to be ready to explain to others the hope we hold. However, he adds an important instruction on how to do this with gentleness and reverence. Friends, many people are searching for happiness, meaning, answers, peace, and hope. Sometimes, the only gospel they can access is the gospel lived through our lives. Let us reflect this Sunday. Does our life mirror the gospel of our Lord? Brothers and sisters, this Sunday challenges us to move through these stages, from knowing Jesus to loving Jesus, and from loving Jesus to becoming like Jesus to others. May we remember this truth: the greatest evidence of our fidelity to Jesus is not what we say, but how we love. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.